So here we have to map this logical address here. Okay, the logical address over here to the physical address. So the value A in page 0 is stored at the logical address 0, and let us find out where this A of page 0 is stored in the physical address of the frame 5. So here 20 to 23, these are called as the physical address locations. Here from 0 to 3, these are called as a logical address locations. Tell me, what are the logical address locations for these things? EFGH 4567. What is the physical address that we will calculate? If we know the physical logical address, we are going to calculate the physical address, because we have to locate these pages in at some position in the frames. That's why first you have been given the logical address, you need to find out the physical address. So this is called as a mapping between the logical and physical, that is between the main memory and the secondary memory. This process we are calling it as a paging technique. Okay, now let us calculate with the formula. So similarly, can you tell me what is the, so I can say that where the A is stored here. So the offset of A is 0, right? So frame number is 5. Frame number is 5. And what is the size of, anyway size will always be 4, plus what is the offset of A, 0. So this will give the 20th as a physical address. So you can easily say that the value A will be stored at 20th physical address. Similarly, you can say that B, C, D will be stored in the 21st, 22nd and 23rd locations. Okay. Similarly, can you calculate where EFGH is stored? Where EFGH is stored? So anyway, this one is a page 1 which will be stored at the 6th frame. So of course there will be some 6th frame where the values, the physical addresses are going to be from 24 to 27. Now let us calculate where EFGH or E will be stored at which position. This is the frame number 6. So what is the formula? Frame number into size, that is I want to know where E is stored actually in the 6th frame. So frame number is going to be 6 into what is the size anyway, 424, plus what is the offset of E? It's not 4, it is 0, because the offset will always start from 0 to and ends with 3, because the size is going to be 4, 0 to 3. 6 into 4 is 24, plus 0 is 24. As usual, you can easily say that the value is E will be going to be stored at the 24th physical location, right? So anyway, they will be stored. You can observe what is the, where H is stored. H will be stored at the 27th physical memory location. So this is the explanation about the paging. You can take the screenshot so that you can understand the how to calculate the physical address of E, which is present in the page 1, which is stored in the frame 6. Just take the screenshot. So if you look at this diagram, you can easily understand the total paging mechanism. Okay, thank you.